Hi guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Omegle on phone, right? You can choose any of the browser. I will choose here a Chrome browser, and on the search bar, you have to type Omegle, right? And just hit the enter, and you have to click on the first link which is showing here, right? Just scroll a little bit down and you will see the blue box here. Just click here, visit omegle.com. And right now we are in the home page of omegle.com. So here let me explain you the first two options, that is start a chat. You can talk to a person by chatting, and on the other side the option that is very popular, that is video chat, right, to a stranger. And down below here are the interest, so you can just enter your interest, and this is an optional feature. No, it is not a mandatory. So let's say if I just enter here YouTube, okay, and just click on the enter, and after that make sure to check this mark, because after that Omegle will find you a certain person who have the same interest like you, right? So as you can see here, find strangers with common interest. So let me show you the first function, that is a start a chat. You have to check this and agree to the terms and conditions. Now click confirm and continue. Now here you can start and stop, right? So if I click on the new, here he will find a person who have the same interest like me. So the person has sent me the hi, I will send him hello, and I will just enter, and after that you can just start the chatting, right? So I will just stop you and let me show you that. I will just go back and let's again visit omegle.com, and I will show you how to use the very popular video feature. So click on the video, you have to agree to the terms and conditions, click on confirm and continue, and I will just stop and I will show you how to do a chat, right? So just click on the new and wait for somebody so that they can connect it, and here you can see that person is using omegle.com, and in this way you can find many people on the Omegle and you can talk to them, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below and make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video.